Powering on the shower, pausing the shower, and changing the temperature from within the app is easy. The shower can be started by the smartphone app in one of two ways, with the on-off button or from the presets. In the Shower tab of the app, press the on-off button and the shower will turn on one outlet at a factory default temperature of 100 degrees. To start the shower with a preset, simply press the preset that you wish to use. The screen will display both your current and target temperature. To pause your shower, turn all outlet buttons off. To resume, simply press any outlet button. Water will start flowing again at your previous temperature setting. Changing the temperature is easy too. Once the shower is running, simply press the desired hot or cold arrow buttons on the app. Each button press equals 1 degree of temperature change. You buy Moen Shower, the digital shower valve with cloud-based controller and smartphone app. Moen. Buy it for looks, buy it for life.